In the previous step, you've learned how to add your contacts to iPresso. Now it's time to create your first email campaign. Go back to the main menu and navigate to Campaigns. Then choose a Create New Campaign button. Here you can choose from 5 different communication channels: email, web push, mobile push, SMS, and voice message. As we are going to create an email, choose the first option. You will move to the Settings tab. Define your campaign name, for example, iPresso newsletter. Then define additional settings like campaign description to easier figure out the goal of the campaign in the future. Add tags that can be used in reporting or filtration. Make sure you add the proper consent to enable the marketing communication. Here you can also choose the campaign type. We have a few options. The standard campaign can be scheduled or sent immediately, and campaign for scenarios that will be used in the automated process. For our example, let's stick to the standard campaign. For Triggered by API function, refer to our Help Center where you can find everything you need to know how to launch such a campaign. Choose what links you want to be monitored. You can choose from not monitoring any links, monitoring all of the links, and only those visible in the content of your creation. Moving on, you can choose from a multitude of email settings. First, decide if your email is a marketing or transactional type. To further learn about the difference, please refer to our respective Help Center articles. You can also launch your campaign in the test mode that helps you decide which email version is more successful. Turn on the headers to enable your contacts to unsubscribe from your email campaigns. This is a precautionary step that improves your credibility and legal profile. Choose if you want to monitor the openings of your email message. Then, type in the basic information about your campaign. Start with the subject line, for example, "Hi, this is your latest newsletter." Then use our personalized content drop-down list to create a personal message based on the contact attributes. Do not forget to fill in the "From" field to let the receivers know where the email came from. You can customize the "To" field, alter the email address, and choose the sender's email address. Additionally, you can type in the reply to email address for the customer to contact you back. When you are done, scroll to the top of the screen and hit the red Next button. You'll move to the Recipients tab where you can choose the audience for your email message. Here, you define if you want to send the campaign to all of your contacts or selected users within a certain segment. The segmentation enables you to carefully target the recipients of your campaign. You can find more information about segmented users and segmentation in the respective article in our Help Center. Refresh the counter of your recipients to see how many of them will be targeted by your email campaign, and move to the next step by clicking the red button. The next screen lets you choose from a few ways to create a campaign. We have 4 basic options for a template: schemas powered by a simple drag-and-drop editor, pre-made themes that also use our drag-and-drop editor, simple text editor with basic tools to personalize your campaign, and HTML editor for more advanced users. Let's choose one of the pre-made themes. The Spring Collection finally on sale. Here, you can review our drag-and-drop editor. On the left-hand side, you can choose from a handful of elements that can be used to build your email campaign. Additionally, you can browse the Style tab to further customize your campaign. In the View sub-tab, you can check how the message displays on different devices like computer, tablet, and phone in different screen orientations. When you are done, Hit the Next button. In the summary, you can verify if everything has been set up correctly. Here, you can schedule your campaign or send it now. If you choose to schedule it, the prompt window will open where you set the exact date and time when your campaign is sent. Additionally, you can save your campaign as a draft by clicking on the disk icon in the upper right-hand corner. We have just created the first basic campaign. Now we can move to the third step, setting up your first marketing automation scenario.